party will take initiative to have some kind of not only all party meetings but also inviting leading intellectuals from different corners of the countries to discuss the issue, aiming at how to resolve this problem of Manipur and how to find a solution. So there can be many ideas will come, and then we'll see what we can do. But we are not in favor of continuation of such a stalemate, and we are demanding once again that after the election result, what Manipur people have given their verdict, this government should not now one day more. This government should resign, particularly this chief minister should resign, because he lost all his moral authority to continue by this verdict, and also by his own home minister, who didn't call him to attend the important meeting with the security agencies to attend that meeting. So that means the home minister and also central leadership of the BJP also don't have a confidence on him that he can find a solution. And last, we should request our security forces, including army, not to take any side or others what is going on in and around this Indo-Myanmar border, which can also change the situation dramatically towards negative end. This is all I just wanted to say.